The Snowball, Warren Buffett and the Business of Life, by Alice Schroeder is an in-depth biography that chronicles the life and times of one of the most successful investors in history, Warren Buffett. The book goes beyond his legendary financial acumen and explores his personal philosophies, relationships, and experiences that shaped his life. Schroeder's work is more than a simple recounting of dates and deals. It's an exploration of Buffett's complex character, his values, and the influences that molded his approach to investing and life. The narrative starts with Buffett's early years in Omaha, Nebraska, where he developed an insatiable appetite for numbers and business. From selling chewing gum as a child to reading every investment book in a local library, Buffett's early life was marked by a relentless curiosity about how money worked. Schroeder details his relationship with his father, Howard Buffett, a stockbroker and congressman, and how this relationship influenced Warren's moral compass and financial discipline. Buffett's teenage years were spent honing his interest in the stock market, even filing his first tax return at the age of 14. The book captures how Buffett's formative years built the foundation for his later success, providing a nuanced look at his psychological and emotional makeup. Schroeder digs into Buffett's time at the University of Nebraska and then at Columbia University, where he studied under the legendary Benjamin Graham, author of The Intelligent Investor. Graham's principles of value investing became the cornerstone of Buffett's strategy. However, The Snowball also sheds light on how Buffett's approach evolved beyond Graham's strict guidelines, blending value investing with an emphasis on the quality of companies. This adaptability would become one of the hallmarks of Buffett's investment philosophy, allowing him to seize opportunities that others might overlook. The story transitions into Buffett's early career, starting with his stint at Graham's investment firm and eventually founding the Buffett Partnership. Schroeder portrays the grit and determination that Buffett showed in convincing people to trust him with their money. His keen ability to recognize undervalued stocks and capitalize on them helped him accumulate significant wealth even in his early years as an investor. However, the book doesn't shy away from portraying the challenges Buffett faced, including the market volatility of the 1960s and 1970s. It illustrates how Buffett navigated these periods with patience and discipline, sticking to his principles even when the market didn't seem to agree with him. The narrative delves deeply into his acquisition of Berkshire Hathaway, a struggling textile company that would become the vehicle for his investment empire. Schroeder explains how Buffett transitioned from managing a partnership to running a conglomerate, showcasing his skill in capital allocation and ability to find undervalued businesses that could be rejuvenated under his leadership. The author highlights key acquisitions like Geico and Coca-Cola, which exemplify Buffett's long-term mindset and belief in the power of compounding returns. Yet, The Snowball is not just about investments. It's a deep dive into the man behind the money. Schroeder explores Buffett's personal life, including his complex relationship with his wife, Susan, and his longtime companion, Astrid. The book doesn't idealize Buffett, but presents him as a multifaceted individual with his own struggles and contradictions. For instance, while he is known for his folksy charm and modest lifestyle, he has had strained relationships with some of his children and faced challenges in balancing family life with his devotion to work. These personal elements add depth to the narrative, making it clear that Buffett's success came with trade-offs. Schroeder also delves into Buffett's philanthropic journey, particularly his decision to donate the majority of his wealth to the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. This act of generosity is seen as a culmination of his lifelong belief in the power of compound interest, not just in finance but in the impact that capital can have when directed towards social good. However, Schroeder also points out that this decision was not easy for Buffett, who had long been known for holding onto his wealth and running a frugal lifestyle. The internal conflict he faced over how to distribute his fortune adds another layer of complexity to his character. Throughout the book, Schroeder provides insights into Buffett's thoughts on topics like money, power, and success. His famous quotes, such as "price is what you pay, value is what you get," are woven into the narrative, revealing a man who thinks deeply about the world around him. Schroeder shows how Buffett's beliefs about the economy, human behavior, and risk have influenced his investment decisions. The book also addresses how Buffett has dealt with public scrutiny and criticism over the years, especially during times of economic downturn. Schroeder doesn't shy away from controversies, such as Buffett's involvement with Salomon Brothers during its scandal or criticisms of his investments in companies like Coca-Cola for their health impacts. These moments reveal Buffett's willingness to confront difficult situations and adapt to changing circumstances. The Snowball also gives readers a front-row seat to some of the most pivotal moments in American financial history, from the boom and bust of the stock market in the 20th century to the tech bubble and financial crisis. Through Buffett's perspective, Schroeder paints a vivid picture of how markets operate and how he was able to maintain a steady hand amid turmoil. These historical contexts enrich the narrative, allowing readers to understand not just the man but the environment in which he thrived. Ultimately, The Snowball is a comprehensive exploration of what makes Warren Buffett one of the most respected figures in finance. Schroeder captures the essence of his personality, a blend of humility and ambition, pragmatism and idealism. The biography serves as a testament to the power of focus, discipline, and an unwavering belief in one's principles. For readers seeking to understand not only the mechanics of investing but also the mindset required for long-term success, The Snowball offers invaluable lessons. It's a journey through the life of a man who, in many ways, embodies the American dream, a testament to how consistency and a love for what you do can create lasting